Damn. What is that? Are you gonna let me? I can probably go around it, but alright buddy. Good luck to you. Don't get eaten. I'm back on a mountain again. This time we're at Russian Ridge. I'm at the parking lot right now. Oops. I missed the trail entrance. This is one of my favorite spots. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And it's a relatively easy hike. We're basically up on a mountain a little bit right now. From the bottom to here, it takes about 20 minutes. It's a little bit windy, but it's not that terrifying. It's not bad, so it's a nice ride. You just have to be careful for the cyclists. Mountains are pretty popular for cyclists, so you know, you just gotta be careful for them. We can hear the crickets. I love them, but they look so scary to me. I'm so scared of roaches, right? So they kind of look like roaches. I can't deal with them. This is close to Castle Rock that I've been to and made a video on. And then there's also Big Basin Woods or something. That's also super close here. But Russian Ridge is really, for sure, my favorite in this vicinity. Here are some first views. Amazing. Hi. Don't be scared. Were you guys eating on something? Damn, look at that akbaba. I forgot what you're called. God damn. I'm just trying to pass by. I don't care about you, your food there. Nah, I just need to pass by, buddy. Are you gonna let me? Damn. What is that? Are you gonna let me? Oh, that's a skunk, huh? That's a baby skunk. God damn. Dude, you couldn't find something else? Poor thing. Okay, I need you to move so I can pass. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately that was a baby skunk they murdered. My friends found me. I don't know, they're kind of hovering over me. I mean, I didn't take their food away. I have friends at least doing this hike with me, 2 of them. By the way, driving up here, I think I ran over a snake, a huge snake. But I noticed the last minute. It was all over on the road. Anyways, so okay, so I actually came back from the Ancient Oaks Trail because I realized that was not the path that I took before. But this is also gonna connect to the trail that we were on. But this is the Ridge Trail, and this trail is absolutely my favorite. It's gorgeous. Right here it just says fragile area. Stay on the trail. But this spot right here is just so gorgeous. And let me show you why. If I stayed on Ancient Oaks, it was gonna merge right here. But I just took the upper trail. I went back. Took the upper trail because this is really, oh my gosh, this is my favorite. we're gonna go around this and yeah. The last time I was here, there were people. There were like more cars in the parking lot. There were people, but I wouldn't really see them. Like I would run into them here and there, but not really, just on the main one going back. But yeah, so this is like normal, that there's no one here, but there are some people. They're just like we're just scattered around. Yeah, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous place. The Ridge Trail is about 0.3 miles, and then it's gonna merge. It either merges into the other like forest trail, or I actually can't remember well, but we'll see. We're gonna get there sometime soon. Yeah. It also goes down, all the way down. Maybe it was this one that I took. We'll see. I can't really remember because it's been a while, but I remember the main events and the main views that I absolutely loved and stuff. I'm glad I did not forget my sunscreen today. There are just too many flies that are not leaving me alone right now. I guess I smell really good. I didn't put on perfume or anything, but I have, you know, a deodorant, and then I guess I'm fresh. Okay, we are at this point where I have to make a decision. As you can see, you can take the upper trail and come down this way as well, or do what I just did with the Ridge Trail. That was gorgeous. And now we have to make a decision. This either goes up or we go into the forest from here, which is the one I believe I took, and I have never been that way. It says Hawk Ridge Trail 0.0 miles, and then the Badgers Byway. Yeah, I kind of want to take this one, and yeah, reminiscence. So I'm looking on the maps. This way goes pretty far. It's a good trail. But I think I'm gonna go down and then through the forest, cool down a little bit. Yeah, so we are continuing our trail here. It's getting all green, which is nice. I'm cooling down a little now. I have not seen any human beings so far. Look at that moss, it's so beautiful. There's a little stream right here. Storms here are pretty wild, so when the trees get too old, I guess they just can't deal with everything. That's a really big boy. I mean, all of them. So I remember Ancient Creeks Trail. Yeah, I went up this way last time and it was just beautiful. So I'm gonna do the same thing and go back to the parking lot. That trail looks nice too. But yeah, you can also take down that road, but we're going this way. have pictures from 2 years ago from right here. But yeah. I could reenact it, it's just this area is a little dense and thick with these, again, thorny plants. So, I don't know, the ground is a little too mushy and soft. So, yeah, I don't know. I might try though. I love this space. I almost didn't come for a hike today. I was kind of lazy, and not lazy, but I have a lot of other hobbies, and so sometimes I get confused, or you know, it's hard to make a decision what I want to do that day. I've done so many things in my life that sometimes I kind of feel a little crazy because I have so many different skills and hobbies and interests, and then like things I want to do, things I'm trying to learn and all that kind of stuff. Like some days I just, like, I'm home learning languages. I have been learning French and Italian. Like, je ne parle pas français couramment, mais je peux parler comprendre un peu. And posso parlare un po' l'italiano, you know, those kind of stuff. And then I love history. I love like just watching documentaries. I love learning about marine life. And then recently I bought some NCLEX tests for nursing, you know, the nursing licensing test. So I've been doing them and I've been finding them so fun. So like I have so many other hobbies. I like to also work out at the gym. I like to do these hikes that are pretty hard, and you know, it takes a lot of time and energy, and to do also YouTube now. It's just, I don't know, life is really fun. It's just hectic for me. I don't have just one thing that I'm focused on. I have so many things that I'm focused on. So sometimes I can get hectic and chaotic and confusing. But that's just me. I love it. Like on top of that, I crochet, I knit, I make art, you know, like stuff like that. It's just, oh my gosh, like I realize I do too much sometimes, but I love it. I feel so accomplished. I feel so good about myself in general, you know, like I have so many skills and stuff like that. But yeah, but sometimes I'm like, what would it be like if I had just one thing that I focused on and try to be best at it, instead of trying to be amazing at all these different things? But I don't know, everybody has their own journey. This is my journey. So yeah, that was a little chit chat with Delay. Getting to know me part, I guess. Yeah, let's continue our hike now. By the way, I'm wearing all Nike, actually Nike and New Balance. You're not gonna believe this, but I got this for $3. I know, from a warehouse. And then this is from the original store. This has butterflies right here. It's so cute, but I have to fold it like this because otherwise I feel like it's just too long and it kind of looks weird. But I just do that, I don't know, and it works out. And then of course some shoes. These are not my hiking shoes, but I know that this trail is not that hard, so I was like, why not? I'm gonna be all blue today, and I'm wearing 550s. Yeah, and this is my favorite backpack, North Face. I got it years ago and I love it. Views are so nice from up here. Okay, so there's a huge snake that scared the shit out. This is the first snake I've ever seen on my hike. I don't know what kind of snake that is, but I'm not stepping over you, buddy. Can you go? Okay, I'm gonna back up. I'll let you go, and I'm just gonna like drink some water and stuff, but please move away, okay? I'm just waiting here. It kind of moved like a little bit, a teeny tiny bit. But yeah, I'm still waiting. I can probably go around it, but I don't know. I don't want to run and startle it. I don't know. I'm patient. I'm just gonna wait for it to move a little bit more. Yeah. But otherwise I have a really nice view right here while I wait for the snake traffic. Yeah, this is interesting. I've never seen a snake ever on any of my hikes before. And I was just talking about it last week. I was like, a lot of people see them, a lot of people take pictures of them, take videos, I don't know, you can see on YouTube, but I've never, and I almost stepped on it. I was like, ah! And I just stepped back. He's a calm buddy, as he should be. I'm your friend right here. But you should be careful, there's a lot of like akvabalar trafta. You know? You're just so slow. I know like you have no purpose going anywhere today, you're just strolling around, but I have to continue. We're still waiting. It made some progress. I can probably go like from right there, but I don't know. I'm kind of watching what it's doing. It's moving so weird. Okay, I think I can go now. Alright, buddy. Good luck to you. Don't get eaten. Alright. Gorgeous. Hi, good afternoon. You're the only people I've seen today all day here.
Yeah, person we've seen today.
Oh, nice. Have a nice walk.
Yeah, you too.
So I did get to see 2 people. That was cool. Yeah, because I was about to end this day without seeing a single human being on this trail, which is kind of creepy. Being solo is super cool, it's absolutely amazing, but I just, like, for safety reasons, I like to see other people as well, for my own safety. So yeah, another gorgeous day. Explored, done. This poor skunk. Oh well, nature. Well, thank you to everyone who watched my video. Thank you for joining my hike again. I explored Russian Ridge. And now I'm gonna go home. I will see you on another hiking episode. Probably.